Hey guys, how are you today? Thank you so much for checking out this live. I wanted to come on today to speak with you about 5 reasons you should build good bookkeeping habits. Now, the month of April is all about financial literacy. And so, since I'm a business, I'm going to be speaking about business financial literacy instead of personal financial literacy. So, for those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Marisa Cotton. I am a business strategist and business startup coach. I help entrepreneurs grow, build, and scale their businesses by providing clarity to the confusion in their businesses. And working with me, my clients are able to establish, level up, and enhance their business foundations, offerings, and operations. In the business world, I'm pretty much known for solving my clients' pain points by providing them with working strategic solutions, solving their problems in their back offices, strengthening their business foundations, and being the biz setup guru. Self-acclaimed, I don't care. I'm the biz setup guru. In the past year alone, I've assisted really over 200 businesses during the pandemic alone to properly establish, correct, or set up their business operations by providing them with the fundamentals they needed to propel their business and profits to the next level. I've worked for profits, I've worked for non-profits, I've worked for retail stores, I've worked for corporate offices, I've worked for the government. I have my bachelor's and my master's degree in public administration. I also have another master's degree in business management. I have over 15 years of experience in business organization and strategic management, HR, payroll, business finance, project management. I'm a certified tax preparer. I'm a mom of 2 girls. I'm married to my best friend of over 10 years. I love Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm not big on candy. The only time I really eat candy is Halloween, Easter, and Christmas. And that's because Reese's peanut butter cups comes out with the pumpkins, the Christmas trees, and the egg. Yeah, I love it. Um, and I love gummy bears. I love gummy bears. My favorite colors are red, pink, and gray. And I'm a daddy's girl. So now that you know a little bit about me, let's get more into 5 reasons why you should build good bookkeeping habits. Let's see. Number one, first and foremost reason is to analyze the financial health of your business. Okay. When you know your numbers inside and out, you can kind of get a clear snapshot of your business at a moment's notice. Now, what this does is it tells the financial health of your business. So obviously, if your business is sick, green, well, not in the green, but if your business is sick, it's failing, not doing so well, obviously it will be in the red. However, if your business is doing good, it's making money, it's doing well, obviously it'll be in the green. So this also allows you to analyze pretty much where your money is coming from, where your money is going, what you're spending money on, and what's probably bringing in the most money in your business. So if you're a service provider, like a coach, if your coaching 101 is bringing in more money, or if your group packages are bringing in more money, or if your digital products are bringing in more money, versus if you are selling a product. Let's say you sold body scrubs and lotions. So let you know if your body scrubs are bringing in more money, your body oils, your body lotions. It kind of tells the health of your story, the financial situation. I like to call it the finances are the book of your business, pretty much the front and back pages. And all the stuff is just the pages in between of your book, pretty much to tell how your business is doing. Okay. Secondly, did it go to number 2? There we go. Secondly, it helps you to know when you need to increase your pricing in your business. When you build good, consistent bookkeeping practices, you really begin to understand which revenue streams are most profitable and the ones that are not delivering. Like I just said, are your lotions delivering well? If your body scrubs are delivering well versus your oils, if your digital products are dealing well versus your group projects or your one-on-one projects. It also helps you to decide if you're even ready for a new launch or if you're ready to raise your prices or what streams you may want to spend less time focusing on. So again, it's telling the story and it's telling you pretty much how your business is doing. So if you don't know your bookkeeping, if your books are not in order, if your numbers are not in order, then you can't read the financial health of your business. If you can't read the financial health of your business, how can you determine what next steps are in your business or where your business should go next? How can you determine how profitable your business is besides the money going up in your account versus how much it probably could go up if you paid more attention to your numbers? It's just a thought. So ultimately, you want to be able to charge fair rates that, to get paid for what you do. And oftentimes raising these rates is part of that. So also knowing your worth, but also not being too overinflating your prices as well, which some people, some coaches and some people do. Now, charging someone to speak with you for $500 an hour and you're new to the game, just starting out, probably is not the best. Not the best pricing strategy. However, giving a great discount and then knowing when to increase your rates gradually. Like Kenny Rogers said, what's that the song about? It's like a poker song. You got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. That's part of it right there. So you looking at the financials of your business, it also helps to know when you should actually increase the prices of your business. Besides, if you don't know, like I said, how your business is going, how do you really know when is the best time to increase your prices? How do you know how a product is really doing? How do you know maybe we should phase out of this product and already look at something else? 1 second. Okay. So number 3, you won't be surprised come tax time. How many of you honestly were surprised come tax time when it came to your taxes after finally filing that business on your taxes? Like for some of you, I know you've been running like a business like behind the scenes or whatnot and not filing it on your taxes until recently because of the perks that you can get for filing it on your taxes. And a lot of you were more than likely surprised, like, what the? I thought I was supposed to benefit from having the business. Like I thought I was supposed to like get tax deductions. Like, why do I owe money? You weren't paying attention to your bookkeeping. You weren't paying your taxes, actually, your self-employment tax. And if you are a product provider that sells like a boutique, sells body lotions, etc., you sell a tangible product, you weren't paying your sales tax. So therefore, you owe all that money back to the state. Yeah, when you charge $9.99 for something and with tax it was $10.81, yeah, that 82 cents actually belongs to the state, not to you. So yes. But nobody likes surprises come tax time, right? So not the tax preparer and definitely not you. So unless it's an unexpected return, your tax preparer pretty much knows how it's going to go. But staying on top of your books throughout the year can actually save you for tax time and actually help you to have a better understanding and a solid understanding really of your numbers and which way your tax penalties or tax payments may have to go when it comes time to file. So keeping your bookkeeping in order, knowing what's going on, and paying your taxes will help you to have no nasty surprises that's going to clean out your bank account or throw a wrench into your plans. Okay. Number 4, it actually helps you to plan for future expenses. So first and foremost, when it comes to your business, you have a vision for your business, right? You have a vision for your business. You have a vision for your brand. You know what you want out of it at the end of the day. It's a process, right? It wasn't born overnight. It's not going to happen overnight. It's a process. So you can actually plan out better for your business. And that typically means investing money into it down the road if need be. You want to plan out for these things so you're not left cash strapped when it's time to make those purchases or investments, and having a solid understanding of your numbers through good habits, which means you can plan properly. So if you're looking to purchase a new machine, let's say you do shirt printing, this new machine may be coming out. There's a new version coming out of it. That version of the machine may cost, I don't know, let's say $560. Okay. So you know that when that new version hits, you want to be one of the first ones to get that version. So of course you want to be able to plan for that expected expense in the future, and maybe not the not so expected expenses in the future. What if there was the new version of the machine coming out? What if your machine broke? You need to buy another one. But if you plan for these things ahead of time and your bookkeeping is in order, which you know that you can separate and you have this money you can put away, that helps you for those rainy days, so that even though it's going to come out of your bottom line, out of your pocket, it doesn't hurt as much because you know that you've been putting money away for items or situations such as these. So it helps making those purchases that you can help level up your business at the right time more affordable because it's not catching you off guard. And like Sugar Free said, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. Sorry, I had to quote Sugar Free on that one. I had to. Again, it's that pot that you're saving for emergencies. It's that pot that you can use to invest back into your business to help you level up and increase the services and increase what you're offering in your business. Okay. Number 5, it helps you to understand how to pay yourself. Nobody goes into business to go broke. Well, at least I hope not. But more than likely, you do it because you have a love for something you do, or you believe that you can deliver a particular product or service to your customers or clientele, and you love doing so and making money while doing it. So, however, all too often, many business owners actually don't end up paying themselves or don't end up paying themselves correctly. And actually, in turn, they're actually robbing themselves or embezzling money from their company. And you would think it's my company. I can spend the money the way I want. It's not embezzling because if I want this money, I want this money. I made it. I should be entitled to it. Yes. But there's a certain way you go about it. When it comes to your business, I want you to treat your business as if it's your business, but as if it's someone else's business because it's separate from you. Its income should be separate from yours. Its transactions, its bookkeeping, and its bank records should be separate from yours. It's like another person or another entity in itself. So you should treat it as such and make sure that it's separate. I'm actually doing a training on how to pay yourself correctly in your business. So whether you're a sole proprietor or an LLC, versus whether you are an LLC with an S corp, you pay yourself differently. You don't pay yourself the same. Just hints, things like transferring money back and forth from account to account. So from your business account to your personal account, because that's what you want to pay yourself. Not a great way to pay yourself. If you are an LLC and you are not an S corp, and you are doing like an actual payroll, like paying a payroll company to run your payroll for you and give you a payroll with a W-2, not needed. So some things are going to be showing you and teaching you in that coming up. And I believe that is actually next week on Thursday. So I'll be coming up with that next week, Thursday, to share with you guys. So, I mean, when you're working your business, you deserve to get paid, right? But let's make sure that you're doing it the right way. And knowing your numbers and understanding the basics of bookkeeping is going to help you to make all that happen. So simply put, by avoiding good bookkeeping habits, you're actually doing yourself more of a disservice to yourself and your business, actually. You've got to set aside the time each week to do your books and to stick to it. Another class I have teaches you how to do your bookkeeping in 20 minutes or less. I did a video on how to do your bookkeeping in 20 minutes or less a week. It's actually very good. You should check it out. And also, if you have not, and you're looking for ways to get your bookkeeping done, you should check out my bookkeeping spreadsheet. Super simple, super easy. It actually helps you and tells you what taxes and what tax money you should put away to pay the government for your taxes as well. So the more you know about your numbers, the more equipped you are with the knowledge you need to actually make the best decisions in your business. Now, when you build good habits, you get the sense of accomplishment and that you're taking care of your business and you're actually able to pay yourself correctly. You're actually able to know what's going on in your business. You're actually able to know the health of your business. And you're actually able to honestly know more about your business than just it's going well, it's making money. I don't know, I've got 10K in my account. So I guess it's doing well. Okay, what about your business is doing well? What part of your business is doing well? What is your best seller? Tell me. Bookkeeping will help you to understand that a lot better. Like, this product is my best seller. However, this second product is actually running only like 2% behind. I didn't realize it was so close. You never know unless you look at the financials and look at your bookkeeping. So if you're actually not sure how to pay yourself, again, please stay tuned. I will be doing a session on how to pay yourself. So we'll go over the factors to consider, the percentages to save, what pay to hold, etc. So please keep an eye out on that. So in short, to review what we talked about today, 5 reasons why you should build good bookkeeping habits. Number 1 is to analyze the financial health of your business. Number 2, to know when to increase the numbers in your business and your pricing. Number 3, to not be surprised at tax time. Number 4, to plan for future expenses. And number 5, to understand how to pay yourself. And again, if you're looking for the basics on how to do your bookkeeping, you should actually check out my Bookkeeping 101 for entrepreneurs, where I go over all the terms and information you need to know. I pretty much make bookkeeping numbers make sense. So without all the fluff, the big spreadsheets and the income going here and the outcome going there and listing liabilities here and listing assets there and going through all this and having to do QuickBooks and how do I reconcile? And I've got an easier way for you, especially if your business is super simple and not complicated. Like, I really have an easy way for you. Number one, in my bookkeeping 101, I break down what exactly are the bookkeeping things you need to know in your business to do bookkeeping for yourself. I break down terms you should know. So if people should mention them, your vendors and such, other customers or other business people you talk to, business colleagues, you actually know what they're talking about and you're well aware of what you need to know. I break down how to keep up with your financial records. I even have plug and play templates. So all the stuff that I pretty much tell you about in the 101 mini bookkeeping 101 mini course, I give you the templates to pretty much execute it all. There's a template on what you may need to do weekly for your bookkeeping, how to do things monthly, what you need to look at quarterly and annually. And the bookkeeping spreadsheet itself, like I said, it does everything for you. All you do is put in your income, you put in your expenses, and everything else is calculated on this end over here. Oh, put in how much you pay yourself. And everything else is calculated on this end over here. It'll show you what you're spending the most money on. It shows you where majority of your income is coming in at. It gives you your profit and loss for the month, the quarter, and the year, all without you doing nothing but putting in your income, your expenses, and how much you pay yourself. So if you're interested in those products, please check out bizgroundwork.com. That is bizgroundwork.com, which is not on here, and it should be. To get that information, you can also go to yourstarpowersolutions.com and click on our e-learning tab, which will take you again to our e-learning portal with all of our classes and our products there as well. If you need assistance with setting up your business, again, we do help with business formations and setting up your business from start to finish to getting you launched. And if you don't want to use a spreadsheet to do your bookkeeping, you feel that's a lot more complicated, we do have QuickBooks setup services, and we also have discounted software with your setup service purchase. So we have those options available for you. So we have a good spreadsheet you can use. And if you're interested in QuickBooks, we have a discount code that lasts more than just 3 months, like the ones online that you may find. Ours actually some last a year, and some are actually for the lifetime that you have the account. So we have some pretty good discounts. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit us up, www.yourstarpowersolutions.com, or you can give us a call at 888-346-YSPS. Again, this is Marisa Cotton, president of Your Star Power Solutions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.